Okay, if you want to enter emails for the PHS Cross Country Fundraiser, this is what you need to do. First of all, you go up to SnapRaise, so Google SnapRaise, and then get to this home page of SnapRaise, and then you're going to log in. I've already created an account, and you should have created an account the day that the company representative came out to help us. But if you didn't, then you could sign up instead right here. But in my case, I'm just gonna go ahead and log in. If you sign up because you haven't created an account before, you'll have to enter a bunch of information about yourself, and then it's going to ask you for the join code, and the join code is 310051 Then once you've logged in after creating an account, you should see a page like this. And on this page, you can see we've raised $6,550, so we're getting there. You want to go down on the page to this icon right here. You can actually see the join code that I just gave you right here. So if you're creating an account, you're gonna use that join code. Then to enter emails, you click on this icon right here, the green one with the envelope, and then you will enter an email address just like this. Maybe I'll do this one. So you can just enter as many as you want, and then you click on prepare, and it says that one email was successfully sent. The other one I had already entered before, and so that was a duplicate. It asked me what the relationship is with this one. I'll say it's a friend. So that's how you send emails. So the emails have already been sent to these addresses now. These are the emails that I've entered, and that's how you send emails. If you want to do text messages, it's the same kind of thing. You come down here to this, and this is better to do obviously on your phone. And you're going to click on this button right here, and it's going to ask you for the phone number. So you'll enter the phone number, and when you push send, it's going to bring up the text messaging app on your phone with the prepared message that SnapRaise sends out to anybody to ask them to donate to our campaign. And that's a good chance for you to add something that's personal at the beginning of your text message. You can't do that on the email function, but you can on the text message one. So, if it's Uncle Harry or whatever, say, hey, Uncle Harry, it's Jason. I'm hoping you can donate to my team's campaign, whatever you want to say. And then the rest of the message will be from SnapRaise telling them how to donate to the campaign. Hope that helps.